What up, y'all? It's your girl, Chashebutta, and we back. We
It feels so good. It feels so right. If you give love a try.
What up, y'all? What's going on? Happy New Year. I know we're still in January, okay? So I can say Happy New Year. Hope you're having a beautiful and blessed new year. So your girl went ahead and I've been thugging for y'all. Look, I have been really just trying to keep my game up and trying to keep the content coming for you all. So just know that on this channel, if you do not see a video or a short, go ahead and check out my community tab, because there will be some type of post over there, or there will be a short, or there will be a video. Okay? So if you are new here, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber or supporter, what up, butter babe? I see you, girl. You know I see you. What it is, yo? What's up? What's going on, y'all, man? What is it? Okay, they say that people are enjoying long form content again. Okay, so I need you all to get over here, hang out with your girl. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. Let me know, because yeah, the unit on my head. Yes, the unit on my head we are going to talk about. Okay, and I kind of want to discuss the collection as a whole, because I do have a few units from this collection. But before we get into that, make sure if you're not subscribed, you subscribe to the channel. Help your girl out. Oh my gosh, y'all. So that's another reason why I had to come on and make a video. We are at 3,000 subscribers. Woo! We're actually over 3,000. So God bless you all. I appreciate it so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. It will be so great to just continue to grow. Appreciate you all continuing to rock with me. Y'all, this content creation ain't easy. It seems like it's easy. I mean, you do get to create your own schedule in a sense, but honestly, you have to work at it. You have to be on it all the time. You have to think of everything as content. And I ain't gonna say everything, but as, like, for instance, since I do content creation with hair and fashion, makeup, and things of that nature, I have to always be thinking, like, if I have somewhere to go, I have to make that content. If I have even when I don't have anywhere to go. Look, even if I'm just going up the street and I want to rock a new unit, okay, there's my content. So whatever I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Even if I'm working from home or whatever I'm doing, I always have to be thinking in a content creator space so that I can bring you all this juicy, beautiful content, okay? But yeah, I appreciate you all so much. God bless you. I do have a giveaway coming up. It will be a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I believe, I don't know if I said that before. I got a lot of stuff, y'all, I've been stacking up for you all. So there will be 3 winners for the giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed, because that is going to definitely be one of the requirements. You have to be subscribed, okay? All right, let's get into this unit on my head. Also, the unit on my head is BAM! Y'all see her. So this is the, of course, I'm reading the stock card, okay? So bear with me here. This is the Butter Lace 90s bangs, okay? Now, I know y'all been seeing these 90s bangs all over the internet. Look, all over, I'm quite sure, all over TikTok, all over YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. This was like the thing. We've been very nostalgic. We've been going back to the 90s for the 99 2000, okay? But yeah, so most of these units feature bangs, but they do have other styles as well that they have come out with. I do have quite a few of them, you all, so you all will probably catch more of these. Now, I don't know if I will do a full review, but unless it's something really unique that I want to share. But other than that, you will see shorts of those units as I try them. And, so make sure that you're checking out the shorts, because even if I don't do a full review, there will definitely be a short. This is the 90s Bangs Unit 1. Y'all know. I'm getting back to it, okay? This is the 90s Bangs Unit number 903, okay? I'm going to give you all the information according to the stock card, and if I have any grievances or disagreements with the stock card, then I will let you know after I'm finished, okay? All right, so she does feature HD lace, and it features a wider, deeper parting space, a curved parting. Yes, and it does say hand-tied curved parting, okay? Now, It also says you can wear her glueless, and I have her in the color light ash brown, which y'all know that is my favorite color in the whole wide world. Light ash brown, and then the secret highlight light ash brown. And I also love light ash blonde. So all the light ash colors, I don't know what it is. They seem to work well with my skin tone. And they just, I don't know, they just look like it would be my natural hair color, even though my natural hair color is like dark brown, basically. So yeah. Anyway, and the color shown on the stock card is 1B. Okay. All right. Now, this is, of course, by Sensational. Now, you do get your ear to ear lace and the 5-inch deep parting area. So, we already discussed that. They do say it's pre plucked in the front, which, okay, we see here. And you get the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Elastic band that'll make you dance. Band that'll make you dance. Band to make you dance. But yeah, y'all. Does it have elastic band? You know what? Let me make sure. Does it have elastic band? Oh boy. Actually, I don't think it has the band. Look. I don't remember, y'all. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, I'm tripping. All right. I don't remember, y'all, because you know what's happening? I'm so used to the units having the elastic band at this point that sometimes I just forget to check. Like I'll install it, and then I'll be like, does it have elastic band? I don't remember. Okay, so my bad. Hey, don't judge me, just love me. Okay. All right, y'all. So yeah, now it does come in some specialty colors. We have balayage chocolate, balayage copper, balayage gold, balayage mocha, and of course this light ash brown. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, honestly, out of all the colors, the light ash brown was the one that I was most interested in. So, of course, you know, that's the one that I got. Now, I am going to pop in this video some of the other 90s bangs units that I've already tried. I'll pop them in with either video, picture, and I'll tell you the name of them. They all are pretty much, like I said, the ones that I tried so far are pretty much constructed the same. Now I do think they have some middle part ones as well. But you know what? We're not gonna get into all that. I'll show you the ones that I've tried, and so you can check those out as well. All right, y'all. So I pretty much agree with the stock card. Now I will say this: as far as glueless wear, I wouldn't wear it glueless because, I mean, okay, let me say this. If you cut the lace really close and you put it on, you could probably wear it glueless. I like to go ahead and make mine more seamless. I like to go ahead and use my Kiss melting spray adhesive. And right now, I'm showing you all how I styled her. I think it makes it look a lot more, even more natural, because you can't really see like any, like you can't see like the lace once you really, the lace is pretty transparent though, but I do feel like, I'm trying to clean it up a little bit because I did have a little bit of my hairspray, my adhesive spray. You should definitely use the spray adhesive, and once you do that, I mean, it's just like a seamless look. It looks pretty much like it's growing out of your scalp. You know what I'm saying? Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love the texture on this unit. Let's go through the other specs on this unit. It does feature a nice medium yaki texture. I do see I see a little bit of yak, y'all. I see a decent amount of yak, okay? So it does have that medium yaki texture. I will say you don't really get any tangling. Now, depending on how you cut the lace, you may get a little bit of shedding, but you don't really get any shangling. So you don't get shedding and tangling. You get like more, like a little bit of shedding, you know, more than anything. And I will say, I think it's big head friendly. The cap is comfy. I did have to tighten it a little bit. My head is 22 and 1/8 inches. I hope that helps. And what else? And I mean, yeah, y'all, I recommend this unit. I think it's very fun. I think it's definitely great for a new look. And I think it's good for all year round. I mean, some people don't like all this hair in the summertime, but you know me, I will rock it in the summer. I'll rock it in the spring, winter, fall, whatever. But especially nice this time of year because you have something kind of on your neck, of course, because it's cold outside. Look. But yeah, y'all. So definitely check out this unit. Now, another thing I want to tell you all is make sure you all shop on my LTK shop because your girl is on LTK. I only have a few followers. I do see where some of you all are purchasing, and I really appreciate you. But come on and follow your girl. I know it may be a little bit confusing. You kind of have to create an LTK account, so you have to download the app. There may be items on there, even units that maybe they didn't make it to YouTube yet, but they are on LTK from me, so you can actually purchase there directly. Join your girl, follow me on LTK. If it lets you subscribe so that you all can just stay rocking with me. Now, I also created a Discord where I'm going to be featuring some of my unseen footage. So footage that didn't make it to YouTube that I may or may not put up because it's older units. It's older footage, but it's still relevant because a lot of the items are still available. I did do like an Amazon haul, and so there's a lot of purses and different, cool things that you can find on Amazon. That's on one of the videos that I'm going to upload to Discord. You can ask me questions on Discord. I want to create a space where we can talk about units. We can come back over to YouTube and still talk about them. So I want to get to know you all. I want to love on you all. I want to get to know y'all. I want y'all to get to know me. I want us to become a family, our Butter Babe family, and let's do it, okay? So make sure you join Discord with your girl. What are you all thinking? Will you all be trying out the 90s bangs, butter lace units? I mean, I think they're very nice. I think they're bringing a little bit of uniqueness because of the bang. I didn't have to curl the bang or anything like that. So you can go in and cut it if it's too long for you, or you can curl it to make it a little more like, curled under. I think it curls under just enough for me. And you can always push it back like this if you want to. I actually will show y'all that in my footage. You can push the bang back into the hair if you don't want all the hair in your face or in your eyes. And are you interested in one of my favorite units of 2024 that I will definitely be rocking in 2025? I'm going to bring you all at least a short video of that unit. Make sure you check it out. It is by It's a Wig. It's a gorgeous unit and it's pretty cheap, about 22 bucks on most websites. So that video will be coming up right after this. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. And don't be selfish. What are you waiting for? Send this video to your friends, all them. Send them this video. Let them know that we're going back to the 90s. Look, let them know that we're going back to the 90s. Let them know that we're going to get booed up in 2025. But actually, I'm already booed up, but I want to get you booed up in 2025. Y'all know how we do. And if you are in a relationship, or if you're looking to be in a relationship, gotta boo, don't gotta boo, y'all married people, whatever the case, make sure you follow my second channel at Singlehood to Marriage. We got some big things popping over there. I want you all to join me over there as well, okay? I love you all so much. God bless you. It is a blessing to have you here on the channel, and I will see you all soon.